Watch, be prepared. Conditions are favorable for tornadoes to form. Warning, you want to take action. That means it's been spotted. And then the emergency, take action. That means it's on the ground and it's a severe threat to human life, catastrophic damage possible with it. So there we go with the storm that we're keeping a close eye on. Let's go ahead and zoom in on that right there. And that storm is slowly moving southeast.
And you can see actually that there is a hail cloud there. So that means that this thunderstorm is capable of producing hail the size of a quarter or larger. And of course that can cause a lot of damage as well.
And we're talking 60-mile-an-hour winds, cloud-to-ground lightning. We're talking potential for hail, all of that. Now, if we look at the big picture, we're not really seeing a lot. So it's just mainly in that central spot. We're seeing a little bit, too, down towards Columbia, Northumberland. And we're also seeing some back here. Let's go ahead and look at that. Okay, there's just south of our viewing area, Millersburg.
And that storm can pack a punch too, but it doesn't have a severe thunderstorm warning just yet on it.
No, here's one that's just beginning to blossom right now over Sunbury.
That can cause significant downpours.
Yep. Yep, and there's the one, of course, that we've been watching.
And this one's been moving to the southeast. So Kurt and I were talking about the fact that it had some early rotation along with it, but not a thunderstorm warning. And that might be because of the direction of the storm. A lot of the time when storms move from the northwest to the southeast, they're not as severe in rotation as they would be if they were moving to the northeast. And this one's moving the exact opposite direction. This is towards the southeast rather. So it's possible that that's why maybe the National Weather Service did not issue a tornado warning, because of the rotation, the movement of the storm. And maybe that's why that the rotation wasn't as significant as it could have been.
Okay, so let's, I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to wrap up with this one, and we're going to continue some coverage on this because we want to do more, bring you up to speed. We're just beginning here this afternoon, this evening for this. We're going to have much more on these severe storms coming up in just a little while. So for now, we're going to go back to whatever it is you're doing. Stay safe and be prepared, be weather wise. Much more to come up later on with Jeremy during Newswatch 16 at 6.